India's stance on just transition does not explicitly talk about decarbonization of coal assets. The way the Indian power ministry as well as the environment ministry are looking at just transitions is from a broader perspective of low carbon development. The one thing that India needs everyone to understand is the contours of our JETP cannot be framed as the same way as Indonesia and South Africa, given our energy needs are going to be slightly different. Our workforce is different from both of this. There is no mention of informal labor in the JETP deals in South Africa or in Indonesia. We know the level and the importance that informal labor plays within the coal economy in India. The other question to ask, and we only have South Africa right now to rely on, is how is the JETP going to be constructed? How are the terms of the agreement going to be constructed? If we have to follow the South African agreement, then only 4% comes under grants. So will India have to take on more debt to phase out some of the economically unviable coal assets while also investing in new coal assets and putting up a low carbon trajectory and going down the low carbon trajectory? So these are, I think, a couple of moving parts that have happened and which I think the Indian JETP needs to think about how. And this is, I think, what the different voices in the government have been trying to convey to the G7 countries and other partners, that an Indian JETP cannot be similar to an Indonesian JETP or a South African JETP, because the Indian context differs just from the sheer size of its development needs and the people who are dependent on the coal economy.